Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and disable Google Feed on your Google Pixel Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, press and hold on your device's wallpaper or background. This action will bring up your home screen customization options where you can adjust various settings related to how your home screen functions and appears. Once the menu appears, tap on Home Settings. This will open up a dedicated settings page specifically for your home screen configuration, giving you access to several customization features that control how you interact with your device's main interface. Now, scroll through the options until you find Swipe to access Google App. This feature is what controls whether you can swipe right from your home screen to quickly access the Google feed, which displays personalized news, updates, and information based on your interests and search history. Right beside this option, you'll notice a toggle button. This toggle is what determines whether the Google Feed feature is active or inactive on your device. The visual state of the toggle will show you the current status, whether it's already enabled or disabled. To enable the Google Feed, simply click on the toggle button. Once you do this, you'll be able to swipe right from your home screen at any time to instantly access your personalized Google Feed with all your relevant content and updates readily available. Now, if you ever want to disable the Google Feed, the process is just as simple. Just click the toggle button again and the feature will be turned off. This means you won't be able to access the Google Feed by swiping right anymore, giving you a cleaner home screen experience if you prefer not to use this feature. And that's it. You've now learned how to quickly enable or disable the Google Feed on your Google Pixel Pro, giving you complete control over how you access your personalized content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.